Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The given polynomial x to the power 4 minus under root 2x cube plus 7x square plus 2x minus 5 is a. Now the highest power in given polynomial is 4. Therefore degree of the polynomial is 4. So that means that this is a biquadratic polynomial. Such polynomials are called biquadratic polynomials. So answer is option D. Biquadratic polynomial.